be showing you guys how to use the knowledge base. It's also pretty easy. All you're going to need to do is come down, click on knowledge base right here. Go over here, click the plus sign to add a knowledge base. You can give it a name. I'm just going to name it knowledge base 1. Hit create, and then you can click on it. Press add assets. You can import a new file. If you have any files you want to add, like a Google Doc or any files really, you can add it to here. Or you can add a new URL. So if you have a website, you can link it here and it'll be in your knowledge base, which is pretty useful. Once you're done that, to add a knowledge base to an assistant, you come over to the assistant, hit open, go to prompt, hit see this knowledge base thing here with the blank. You can add a knowledge base and just hit KB1, which is my knowledge base that I just made, and now the knowledge base is added to the specific AI that you want. And that's all you need to do.